Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Universal. It's run Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. Now you can check head unit with good condition. This is screen panel 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen. This doubling head unit. Okay. Let me introduce the harness at first. It comes with a standard ISO harness. Okay, you can check this standard ISO harness comes with head unit. This connector connects the back of our head unit. You can check this ISO power cable. Speaker and power wire. 12 voltage. Okay. You can check this connects reserve camera. Power 12 voltage. It's original and black wire. It's amplifier 12 voltage. This K1 and K2. Those K2 for stereo control. 2 K2 cable stereo control. This GND ground wire. This back wire, this brake wire do not need to connect. Because we already built in the head unit. Okay, this is harness. This comes with microphone, GPS antenna, GPS, and this is back of USB cable, 2 USB cable and external microphone. This camera input, camera in, RC type. This is remote controller. This AUX input. This video input. And AUX input left and right. Okay, this audio cable. This one connected back of head unit. Okay, this subwoofer, RC type, and video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out front and rear, left and right, RC type. Okay. This is my head unit. The drum agent. Okay, you can check. It doesn't have DVD player. It's not have DVD player. You can check this knob next Sorry, let me turn down the camera. Okay, you can check this tuner next, and this SD card slot, 2 SD card slot. This is USB, and the reset hole, AUX, this volume, this microphone, built-in microphone, this cable, long cable connect the screen. Okay, you can check side. And this side, this doesn't have DVD player. And the back, you can check this radio antenna, these connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, this fuse, this power, this GPS, GPS in this port, this GPS antenna. Okay. This screen panel. You can check back. This connector connect long cable, and this can be adjust any view. This can be adjust long up and down. Okay. This screw panel, let me connect. Check. Please notice this. You can check there is hole. Easy connect. Okay, make sure connect is well connected. Okay, you can check put the sorry. Okay, it's okay. You can check. It's fixed this button. No problem. Okay. Let me show. This touch screen, you can adjust any view. And up and down. Any view you can adjust. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Please focus this button, fix this. There is a code, you need to fix it. Okay. Let me power 12 voltage. Okay, screen will be turned on. Head unit start. You can adjust the screen panel any view. Any view screen. Okay. Let me adjust. Okay, it started. .1-inch IPS touchscreen special for universal. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. You can check this taskbar and adjust brightness. Very fast response. It's built in the DSP. You can check this DSP amplifier. It's low and high pass bass EQ, sub control, sub adjust. Okay, and the sound field you can check. Okay, these settings. Start time, squeeze, okay, balance, you can adjust the dB, okay, this is EQ. You can adjust this reset, classic, pop, jazz, user 1, user 2. Oh, the adjust you can add. Okay, it sounds effect. Okay, this is DSP. It's built in the easy connection for mirror link. Okay, And built-in Google Maps, you can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and about machine. You can check MCU variant, CPU, octa-core memory size 4GB. Model is PX5. Android variant is Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB, total 64GB. Okay, that's all. Thank you.